By the way, if you're an overachiever, how uncomfortable does taking time away from work for something like maternity leave sound? Planning 3 months off, for example, or even like 2 weeks off. Even if you're not planning on having another child anytime soon, did you know that you could take time off of work? You're not, though, because of how your brain is wired based on that subconscious sabotage fingerprint. Like not wanting to disappoint people, feeling the restless urge or need to constantly be doing something at work. There's so many reasons why. And that's the type of work we do together.